Hi guys, welcome to our Wix Harmony series. Today we're going to learn how to manually add items onto our menu. So here's how you can do it. On the Wix Harmony editor, click on your site menu element. Then on the action bar above, click on Manage Menu. A small window will appear. Here, click on Add Item and simply select what kind of item you want to add. It could be a site page or a link or anchor or etc. For site pages, simply select the site pages you want to add onto your menu. Once you're done selecting, click on Add to Menu and you should see them here on your menu window. If you'd like to add other types of items, click on Link or Anchor and from here, you can add in a page, a section, a web address, a document, and so much more, such as email, phone number, pop up, top or bottom of page, WhatsApp, and address. And depending on what kind of item you want to add, simply input the necessary information asked in order to properly add or link those items onto your menu. And once you're done, they should successfully be added here on your menu panel or menu window. Your changes will automatically be saved on the Wix Harmony Editor as well. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.